Hey guys, my name is Sachin. Do you want to create registration or insert in PHP and using MySQL database? Then this video for you. In this video, you will be learn about PHP registration page. So let's start. Before starting, I requested to you please like my video and subscribe my channel. So first of all, we need to understand what have file. Okay, we have index file. Okay, this is a normal index file. Index mean HTML file. Okay, CSS. Okay, JS file. And you can see I have already opened this file in Notepad++. You can see this is a CSS and this is a jQuery. Okay, I have jQuery for to styling, login and register, hide and show. Okay, so first of all we need to convert it .php. It have file .html. So goes to file menu and save as, and here we will type php and okay, save, and goes to and remove HTML file. This is a PHP file. Okay, we need to create a database. So this is a PHP myadmin, and here we will create a database db register. Okay, create, and db register, click on db register, and here you can type that you want tbl register. Okay, number of column 4 and go, and here automatically create 4 column. Okay, here we will write id data type integer and auto increment, allow, null, no null. Okay, and here we will write name, email, pass. Okay, and name data type varchar and 100 length. Okay, email 100 value. Okay, varchar 100, sorry, and goes to null option, allow null, allow null. Okay, click on save, then the table will be created. Okay, click on table and goes to Notepad++, and here we will create PHP syntax, PHP. Okay, this is a PHP syntax, whole PHP code write in under PHP syntax. Okay, and here we will write, first of all we need to create a connection from database. So control N, so create new file, and here we will choose language PHP. So goes to P and PHP. Okay, PHP. Okay, and here we will be write MySQL connect. Okay, and open parenthesis, then will appear indication, string host name, string username, and string password, and comma string database name. MySQL Connect have 4 parameter. Okay, so here we will write first as string host name. So goes to privileges and copy localhost. Okay, and again we will double quotes username root. Okay, and comma, then will appear string password, double quotes, password is blank, and comma again, and string database name, db name. So database name is db register, so copy it. Okay, and double quotes, and under double quotes we will write database name and close parenthesis semicolon, and here we will create a variable, and variable name dollar sign, and create dollar sign and com. Okay, control s and config.php, save, and here we will create a form for submit for method post. Okay, for control s to save and reload this page. Okay, for each work, but here we need to copy this name sign up. If it's set dollar sign underscore post. Okay, under single quotes we will write sign up. If click on sign up, then okay, here we will include config.php, include config.php, config.php, and MySQL query, sorry, and here we will pass two constructor, first MySQL link and second string query. So and copy this con. First of all we need to link, this is a link of connection. Okay, and here we will write whole SQL query, MySQL query, insert into, this is a statement to insert value in MySQL database, insert into table name, what is my table name, tbl register, copy it, insert into tbl register, column name underscore comma email comma password. Okay, values are values open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and here we will copy username. Okay, and single quotes, under single quotes, double quotes, under double quotes, two dots. Okay, here we will write $sign underscore post. Okay, and here we will paste here, copy this, comma paste, comma paste, and email second value is second value is email and third value is password. Okay, and echo to print message. Success. Okay, inserted. Inserted.